how you going everyone? Rob from Looking Out Tackle. Just out here at Altona, having a quick flick. And there's a lot of bird action out on the horizon. It's pretty rough. Conditions have gone up and down, calm, and then suddenly it's chopped up again. So now the southerly's back on and there's a lot of bird action. So I'm going to paddle over to the bird action. I think there might be some salmon around. So we're going to have a look at some, see if we can get onto some salmon. Otherwise it's just, let's see what we can do on the flathead. Alright, stay tuned. Alright, salmon right in front of us, look at this. Check that out. Let's see if we can get on the few. Right here, look at this. Oh, look at it, it's bubbling up. It's mayhem. I'm right in the action. Listen to that. Right on the surface here, look at this. That was unbelievable. Where'd they go? Alright, where'd they go? Alright, they're over there. Let's go. Right, they're right in front of me here. Right here. They're everywhere. Oh, come on. Yep. Oh yeah, look at it running. Man. Right, tighten the drag. Oh, Jesus. Strong. Look at this mayhem. It's crazy. Oh. Oh. Jesus. I'm going to struggle to get this one up. Oh, I can see colour. Give a bit more drag. That's what it's all about. Oh. Try and bring him around this side. Another bend in that rod. This is what you dream of. Oh. Oh. Jesus. Yes! And he took that soft plastic. I reckon they'd take anything. There we go, look at that. Beauty. That was so much fun. What I'm doing is just looking for those black patches. You can see the bait bait fish, then generally the salmon are appearing wherever you see those black spots. And you can hear them bubbling and busting up. It's amazing. So much fun. Just got to keep locating them. Spotted them. So the birds, got to follow the birds. Little birds heading there. Crawling this one off the side too, just in case we encounter them by accident. As they move fast, you've got a pedal kayak, it's hard to keep up with them. Take them on, use a fair bit of swell around, take them in a bit of water too. Oh yeah, we're on here, big time. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, these things are the best things to catch. They're so much fun. Oh yeah, look at this. He's just pulling drag. He's right under the kayak, trying to get him up, get something on him here. Oh, he's going everywhere. They are the best pound for pound fish. Oh, it's just jumping out of the water. Swing around here. Listen to it go. It's really fast, it's going crazy. Yeah, we'll land another one. Here we go. Look at that. So much fun. That's what it's all about. That was crazy. Look at that. So much fun. I'm going to let him go. I only keep him for bait anyway.